You have been wasting liquid gold for your hair without knowing, and that's rice water. Rice water is known to reduce hair breakage and strengthen your hair inside out. This is what the Yao women with the longest hair go by. The legendary length and dark color of the Yao women's hair are heavily attributed to a century-old fermented rice water procedure. So I'll be showing you the measurement of rice I'll be using, and this is actually like quarter of the areca as we'll call it. I will not allow it to get full. This is just the quantity I'll be using. Then pour it in a bowl. Ensure you wash the rice very well. It is clean till the water runs clear. Then I will just go ahead and put 1 cup of water in this particular rice. So one thing about the Yao women is they usually use fermented rice water due to the fact that it has a lot of benefits that they can actually, get for their hair. So this is how my rice water is looking like. I'm going to leave this for 1 hour so that it can extract the nutrients in it before I would now rigorously rub it in between my palms. The method I'm about to explain to you is exactly how the Yao women actually make theirs. So once the rice is already becoming cloudy by rubbing in between their palms, they will strain the water and put it in a jar for like 7 to 10 days so that it becomes very fermented. During the course of the fermentation and everything, it will become more potent for use. And also for it not to have a very foul smell, they'll put like orange peel or pomelo peel in it and they are good to go. And once they strain the mixture and put in a jar, after 7 to 10 days, they use it on their hair and leave it for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, right? So the sticky fermented water is applied to their hair and it will just give off all its benefits. It will penetrate into their scalp, their hair, and they would rinse it off and move on. And this rice water helps to prevent premature graying. If you notice, the Yao women actually have black hair true and true. They rarely have gray hair due to the properties from rice water. So I'll be telling you everything you need to know about rice water and how it can benefit your hair. Rice water contains nutrients that support healthy looking hair, including amino acid that helps support the hair structure, B vitamins, vitamin E, antioxidants, minerals, inositol, a carbohydrate that may help reduce surface damage to your hair and improve resilience. These nutrients don't work like magic, but they can become a useful part of a balanced hair care routine. How to apply rice water to get the best results? There are several ways to use it. Method 1. Rice water rinse. Wash your hair with shampoo. Apply the rice water from the roots to the ends. Massage your scalp gently for about 5 minutes. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then you rinse thoroughly. Then you can apply your favorite moisturizing conditioner or deep conditioner, or you can do it the Yao women method by leaving the fermented rice water on your hair for 30 minutes to 1 hour, then you rinse off, but you ensure that the water has fermented for like 7 to 10 days. Method 2. You can pour your rice water into a spray bottle, lightly spray your scalp and hair, then massage your scalp. If your hair feels dry afterward, apply a leave-in conditioner or moisturizer. This method works well between wash days. How often should you use rice water? Less is often more. Once or twice a week is enough for most people. Using rice water every single day can leave some hair types feeling stiff, dry, or overloaded. Always pay attention to how your own hair responds. The biggest rice water mistakes. Mistake number 1, leaving it overnight. Longer doesn't always mean better. You can leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes, or you can leave it on your wash day for like 30 minutes to 1 hour like the Yao women. Mistake number 2, using it every day. Your hair also needs moisture, so don't use the rice water to replace moisture. Mistake number 3, skipping conditioner afterward. Rice water is not a replacement for conditioning. Mistake number 4, thinking rice water alone will grow waist-length hair. You have other factors that you need to put into cognizance, like washing your scalp regularly, deep conditioning your hair, using of leave-in conditioner. Mistake number 5, ignoring your scalp. A healthy scalp creates a better environment for healthy hair growth. My favorite tip. Here's one thing I personally recommend. After rinsing out the rice water, follow immediately with a rich moisturizing deep conditioner. This gives you the strengthening benefits of rice water while helping restore softness and flexibility. The results: hair that feels stronger, smoother, and easier to manage. Final thoughts: rice water is not something you just use once and expect to see a very large result. You need to be consistent with it, make it a part of your routine. When used correctly, you would actually see maximum results. As you can see in this particular video, this is how I apply it on my hair, directly on my scalp. Then I'll also extend that to the tip of my hair. You can also incorporate this into your routine. Ensure that you use it on wash day and also as your 2 days treatment in a week. Like I earlier stated, it is not for you to use consistently every day because it could dry out your hair or stiffen out your hair. Remember to pair using rice water with regular cleansing, deep conditioning, gentle detangling, protective styling as you can see in this video, scalp massages, a balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins and minerals. Those habits practiced consistently are what truly help you retain length over time. Not just using only rice water, but you need to ensure that you pair it with all of this that I just mentioned. As you can see, my hair is looking stronger, it's looking bouncy, it's looking full, it's looking like what is well taken care of. And this is a routine that I want to be consistent so that I can see more growth just like the Yao women. So would you be trying this, or have you tried it before? Do you think that your hair actually felt stronger, or are you thinking about trying it for the first time? Leave a comment below so we can learn from each other's experiences. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural hair growth tips, and share this video with someone who wants longer, healthier hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay consistent, take care of your hair, and remember, healthy hair is the foundation for long hair. And also remember that rice water has been a staple for years now, and let us make it a healthy trend where we get our hair back by using rice water. I remember watching hair growth videos like years ago, even before I became a hair coach, and I must say that rice water was actually a staple, and it's something that I want us to revisit again because of its benefits. And luckily we have people that have like visible results that we can bank on for our 4C hair, for our transition hair, for our relaxed hair. And yeah, I'll see you in my next. I know your favorite hair coach.